Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Since you're there, I wanted to talk to you about knocking that wall down.
This one right in front of me?
Yes.
You mean this one? That wall? That wall?
Yes.
That wall?
Yeah.
That one?
Yes.
Okay, that one.
Oh my God. Yeah. Can you knock that wall down, please? Oh my God. What did you do?
There is a board right there.
Oh my gosh. Well, now we know there's a board there. Punch a hole. Do it again. One more.
There's a board there.
Make the hole. Make the sun come through.
Oh.
Woo! You're crazy.
Woo! That's coming down.
Yay.
The whole thing's coming down, the whole wall?
Yeah. Yay!
Construction, deconstruction.
Wow. Oh my goodness. My husband is a beast.
There's your pocket door.
Thanks. Do you need a saw? I didn't like that toilet paper holder anyway. This man never ceases to amaze me.
There. Now you got your sunlight.
Thank you. Oh my goodness, I love you so much. Wow, that looks so much better already.
You want me to rip the toilet out now?
No, because I think I need that toilet for now. Thank you, though. You're awesome. Teamwork makes the dream work, baby. I ask for it, you do it. That's a team.
Drop down and face the wind. Always